Hey guys, welcome back. So Google's Pixel Fall event is less than a week away and we can guarantee that you know most of the things about Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. We have seen renders, spec sheet, even teardowns, camera samples and pricing for some markets. But still there are few things which you may not know about, like cameras. Well, you know the camera specs, but do you know that Google is taking Apple's route and making things difficult for users? A new leak from 6 Pro's repair manual mentions that Google will be pairing a unique device to the camera system, making it hard to repair, unless Google is the one who does it. This means that one may not be able to use the camera modules from an existing Pixel 6 Pro and install it onto another device, similar to what Apple does with its iPhone 13 series. It also suggests that a replacement module might need to be hard-coded to work on another Pixel device. This will really annoy people. Still, this would have to be confirmed by actually tearing apart two Pixel 6 devices and swapping the camera modules. So until then, don't think about it, wait for more reviews before buying. So that was the bad stuff. Now let's get to the good stuff, that is the camera itself. Some publications say that these cameras are better than Apple's recent iPhone. We cannot be sure about that until after launch, but we sure do know that compared to previous Pixel phones, this is a huge jump. The Pixel 6 range will be powered by the home-brewed Tensor chip, which will definitely help in processing and help ensure correct exposures in different situations with a variety of subjects. Then there are these sensors which are beast. A 50 megapixel main camera that will let in 150% more light than the Pixel 5. The second unit is a 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor, and the Pro also has a 48 megapixel telephoto module with 4x optical zoom. That's quite some imaging prowess. For security, Google will support Pixel 6 series with 5 years of updates. Furthermore, it will get Tensor's new security core and the next-gen Titan M2 security chip to keep Pixel even more resilient to attacks. Next, let's check some colors. According to recently leaked information about the Pixel phones, there will be at least 3 color choices for each handset. The standard model will reportedly come in kinda coral, sorta seafoam and stormy black hues. And the Pro model will be available in sorta sunny, cloudy white and stormy black. Further, the bezels on the Pro models are thinner compared to the bezels in the standard Pixel 6, along with a slightly curved screen. Both the phones will come with a high refresh rate display, but only Pixel 6 Pro will have a 120Hz LTPO screen. The vanilla Pixel 6 will only be 90Hz. Coming to the battery department, the regular model packs a 4614 mAh battery, while the Pro model is powered by a 5003 mAh battery, and both are set to get wireless charging support. Now as for pricing, the price of the Google Pixel 6 is one of the most interesting things to ponder about. While Pixel 4 series went all out, Pixel 5 took a step back. The Pixel 6 will again increase the price, and that's expected since it's packed with lots of features. It's believed Pixel 6 might cost €649 in Europe, that's around $749. But as per new report in US, it will cost around $849, which is quite high. The Pro variant will obviously cross a $1,000 mark. So this is where we finish our video. If you want to subscribe, be my guest. Thank you for watching. Peace out.